Christoudia is a family-owned winery. Set in the hills of Larnaca district, between the beautiful villages of Caso and Levkara. The winery cultivates their own grapes and produces limited quantities of high-quality white, red and rosé wines. The other products include raisins and traditional sweets, baluze that is made of grape juice and flour, and sujucos made of grape juice, flour and nuts. Zivania, a strong alcoholic drink, is distilled from wine following the old local traditions. It is said that Zivania has been produced in Cyprus since the 16th century. Ktima Christoudia is housed in a new building with modern machinery and facilities. In addition to winemaking premises and wine cellar, there is a shop selling own produce and other local products. All visitors are offered free wine tasting and may request a tour of the winery, which is provided by the owners that are happy and proud to show around their winery. The winery belongs to Yanis and Alexia Christoudias. Yanis and Alexia have traveled all over Europe to learn the secrets of winemaking, and they're proud of what they managed to create. They started producing wine in 1992, first as a hobby that allowed providing wine for family and friends. It took 3 years to make their first wine, taking some lessons but mostly learning from experience. They sold small quantities of wine, but didn't consider it a business. Encouraged by success, Yanis and Alexia started a winery called Krelan in 1999. They moved to the current location and gave the winery a new name in 2011. With some support from EU funds, they purchased new equipment and increased production. Currently, Ktima Christoudia produces about 60,000 bottles of wine per year.
Did you?
Pafilmuok, ten galima filmuoti.
Christoudia's winery is different. They cultivate only indigenous local grape varieties. Wine has been part of Cyprus history since 4,000 years, and there are different local grapes that are well adapted to grow here and can produce unique wines. They have their own stories and tales that can be told to customers. The quality of product and business location contribute to success as well. Yanis and Alexia have visited different wineries, attended seminars, but mostly learned from own experience. They didn't do special market research. Their knowledge about the market developed over the years, trying to create and sell products that are good and appreciated by customers. When the winery moved to its current location, it was planned from the beginning to work with tourism sector. The building is appropriate to receive tourist groups. They can be offered a tour, wine tasting, or even a meal with wine. Special information boards were created showing what happens in vineyards and winery in different seasons. Yanis keeps improving the guided tour, adding different attractions and entertainment, like pressing grapes or getting the cider wine.
Jau tave tikrai paimsi į darbą.
Paimsi į darbą. Jau tave paliksi čia.
Aš manau, kad aš...
Klausyk, šiandien tave paliksi.
Washing.
O, kaip faina. Tave jau paimsi į darbą, viskas.
About half of wine produced at Ktima Christoudia is sold in the shop above the winery. The rest is distributed through other shops and restaurants. Around 80% of customers are foreign tourists. In summer their share may reach almost 100%. The main challenge for the coming years is maintaining and improving product quality and introducing new and forgotten local grape varieties to make different wines. The winery is doing some lab tests on Sudzukos, the local grape suite, in order to establish for how long this traditional product can be stored. They are also researching another grape product, Paluze, aiming to develop a way to package it and increase its shelf life. Yanis and Alexia say the most important advice they can give to others is to be honest with clients. The product has to be good, authentic, and sold at a correct price.